How to create a CV in Canva in 2025 for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional looking CV using Canva in 2025. Whether you are applying for your first job or updating your resume for a career change, this guide is perfect for beginners. So now let's right into making a CV. So for that, you have to first of all go to canva.com and click on create a design. And here you can see there are many options. So you have to write CV, or you can also write resume as A4 portrait. So I'll select the A4 portrait, and then you have to choose the industry and personal style that would fit us. So the editor is being opened, and now it will show us some templates. Like here we can see some premium templates. We will not go for that. We'll just search for free templates. As we can see, there are some free templates. We'll browse and find the one that is fit for the job position and the person. So let's select this one, and let me tell you something. Yeah, you can using Canva templates save hour of formatting, plus they are ATS friendly and look polished whether you're applying online or printing. So now you have to customize it with your personal information. Like we can see here that the image, first of all you can upload your image here. You should just replace your image here. As you can see, you can just upload your files and just drag and drop the image here, and it will replace your image. Then you will change your name, of course, with your surname. Then the job position you are holding currently, like as business manager, you can be a digital marketer or a software intern or a designer, anything you want. Then you will have to change the phone number. You'll give your phone number, of course. Then you'll provide an email here. It can be Gmail or Outlook. The Gmail or Outlook is the most used email addresses, so I am suggesting you to use a Gmail or Outlook email for here, and then you will add your address here. And after this section you can see here the profile, and the profile is a short description of your experience, mainly that what is the experience you have and what kind of work you do and which personality suits the best. It's a complete short description of yourself. The main point is you have to keep it simple and professional. And now you can add your career highlights, like they here they kept the company name, location, and the time they've worked here, and some description about the company and his job title. And you can also add some bullet points here. And here they also added the key skills: productivity, efficient gains, and profit growth. So you also need to add your education below or beside, depending on the template. As we can see in this template, they have not mentioned their education and all. So if you have graduated, or if your job title or the profession is based on your education, so of course try to add your education history somewhere here, or you can also select some other templates which have the education category and just keep formatting consistent, same font size, spacing and layout. You should not use more than one type of font here because it will look bad on the resume. And employers scan CVs in seconds, clean structure plus keywords that match the job description, and you can get more interviews. And you can also add your skills here, as I've told you before, languages, and you can also share some certificates you have gained. And you can also use sidebars or icons for skills. Canva will make it visual, and you can list live and hard plus soft skills like Adobe Illustrator, Excel, then time management, and you can also add languages with fluency level like English and Arabic and many more. And you can include any recent certificates or workshops with your resume or CV. That will make a great impact on the job interview you'll be giving. And you can also customize color, fonts and layouts. Like I can show you, you can use some elements like line, frame, font, circles. You can use this mail icon for the graphics when you add your email here. Like here they have kept a @ sign, and you can also select the email logo and just keep it here, and you can just make it small and use it here. I am not that good in graphics designing, so I'm just giving you the information and the basic ideas. It will not look good perfect, of course. So you can use Canvas styles tab or brand kit. Here's the brand kit, but the brand kit is on the pro version available only. And you can use clean readable fonts, avoid scripts, and add your personal logo or initials if you are in a creative field. Like if you are applying as a video editor or a graphics designer, you can do that. And most important thing is that good design make your CV stand out. Focus on readability, not flashy graphics. And now you can preview the CV you have made. I have not made any changes. I have just given you some idea how can you do that. And you can now hit the share button to download as the file format you want. Like here's some file format like PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4. PDF print will be the best for printing if you are giving your CV or resume offline. And most of the time we use PDF standard because best for documents and emailing, because you apply with your resume via email. So it is the most used case. You can also flatten PDF, include some notes. I'll not do that and just click on the download. And you can also rename the file before downloading, like first name, last name, CV 2025 or anything like that. And now let me give you some bonus tip. Save a copy as a Word doc via Canvas docs tool if required by the employer. So it will be better for you to edit it for the future. And final touch and tips, let me give you some. You can, you cannot, you should spell check everything before downloading or sending it to the employer, and use action verbs like led, created, manage, and keep to one page, max two for experienced professionals, not more than two. It will look bad impact, and you will be rejected once. And then save versions for different industries or role, and you can add a short summary at the top, 2 to 3 line max. So, and that's how you create a polished modern CV using Canva in 2025, from layout to download. Whether you are applying online or handling it in physically, your resume will look like it was designed by a pro. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and let me give you other tutorials and Please let me know in the comments if you want a cover letter or portfolio guide next, and till the next video.